The Australian manufacturing industry continues to grow despite facing some challenges. The cost of supplies and the issues of finding skilled workforce mean that the industry will be looking at driving innovation in these areas. As the world moves to alternative energy sources and more sustainability, the manufacturing industry will be increasingly looking for eco-friendly material and more waste minimisation. And it will be interesting to see how the manufacturing and construction industries work together and whether we will see more modular construction and prefabrication. Both industries will need more focus on their digital journeys if they are to become viable and sustainable businesses. My prediction is that as we start to see this collaboration, it will drive a lot more innovation and digitisation across both industries, and businesses will be looking to improve their processes and workflows to maximise their investment in technology.
Over the last decade, Australia's manufacturing industry has been evolutionary in that changes have been gradual. Many manufacturers continue to focus on the issues of today, predominantly on reducing cost and driving efficiency. However, there's a growing need for the industry to focus on a broader range of challenges, much of which revolves around digital transformation. This will see a shift towards areas such as future of work, artificial intelligence, and sustainability. This year's Design and Make report shows positive signs. However, to undertake the potential in these areas, our industry must double down on upskilling and reskilling the workforce to thrive in a digital and AI-led economy, identifying where AI can take over repetitive processes to free employees to focus on different types of thinking and high-value work, and adapting generative design to drive greater sustainability. These are fundamental factors that will steer the industry forward as we approach a wave of next-generation manufacturing.
For more information, check out the 2024 Autodesk State of Design and Make report.